Hello, welcome to the Virtue Motors Arena here in Newcastle upon Tyne. Normally, this is home to the region's basketball, the Newcastle Eagles, but for the next few days, it is home to some of the most forward-thinking, some of the most dynamic tech and engineering companies and businesses in the region. Add to that, a few thousand young people bust in from schools across the area. What could possibly go wrong? Welcome to STEMFest, brought to you by RTC North. What is it about STEMFest that you guys like so much?
It's just, it's good to see sort of young people come in with an interest in manufacturing, an interest in technology, and to be able to just give them a little bit of inspiration, to be honest, about what we do and why we're here.
See, this is the thing, it's a bit sort of like lifting the curtain of the manufacturing world, isn't it? Being able to see, so much of this kind of stuff is invisible in life, so being able to see this is really good. And it just takes one thing for a young person to see, like one thing that can spark off that curiosity, and suddenly it can send their whole lives into a different direction. I'm with Claire, Ava and Jade here at Siemens, who are one of our zone sponsors in the environment zone. Well, thank you very much for being here. Have you been at a STEMFest before, Claire?
We have. We've been for about 4 or 5 years now.
Oh, you've been, you're kind of long-termers.
Yeah, great. Yeah, supporting it. It's brilliant. It's a great event. Yeah, it's a brilliant event. We love it.
What is it about this event that you like so much?
Yeah, it's the energy of the kids.
Hello Claire, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you.
Are you having a nice time here?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Highlights of STEMFest, what is it for you? Is it the kind of the noise of several thousand young people screaming in unison?
It's just the energy, the vibrancy.
Yes, there's a lot of energy, yeah.
Loads of energy. It's fantastic to see all of the children here just so into all of the different activities.
And just tell us, why are you excited to be here? What does being here mean for you guys, to have all these young people here?
It's about giving that inspiration and that engagement for future careers. You know, a lot of pupils in schools only know about different careers generally by their family members.
Yes.
And if you've not got an engineer or somebody that works in the water industry sharing that knowledge with them, then, you know, it's a missed opportunity. That's why we love doing these types of events.
Me too.
Showcases exactly what's available.
Because sort of the print industry is sort of, you don't get a lot of new faces in, you don't get a lot of younger people through the door, apprentices like myself and Ewan. So I think by sort of integrating it and showing what can happen from a younger age, it helps them sort of evaluate their options and understand what print can offer them when they get the apprentice age.
Absolutely great. STEMFest is one of the highlights of my year because it's great to see the kids enjoy and engage. And a lot of the time they wouldn't get to experience something like this. So yeah, it's most fun for them as well.
First of all, have you had a good day?
Yes.
Has it been amazing?
Yes.
And tell me, would you recommend this to other schools, do you think? If you were in charge of things and someone said, oh, would you recommend STEMFest? What would you say?
Yes, I would. It would be really nice things for kids to learn, and that would be really, really effective.
What a fantastic day. Such an amazing atmosphere. I have to say, STEMFest is one of the big highlights of my year. It's a real reminder of just how important it is to extend science and engineering beyond the classroom, getting kids meeting companies that are actually changing the world. And it's a reminder of just how valuable it is to get kids interested in how the world works. So long may it continue.